Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with this device. So to do that, you should go here into the top bar for the first, and somewhere here you'll see this scan QR code icon. In my case it's here, so now just click once on this icon, and here you will see like the camera app, and now we'll just try to scan this QR code with our device. And here, as can you see, the device find the web address and the link of this QR code, so we can copy this link, or also we just can open directly this QR code in browser. So we'll do that. I'll just click here to accept and continue. And now you can see that the example of this QR code, that was the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. That's how to scan QR codes with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.